students. Okay, sorry for the interruption. That video was being paused between. So we were at exercise C. So continuing with the same exercise with the remaining examples. Okay, so you have to do that. Exercise C in the last video up to 6 we have done. Okay, so continuing with the same number 7. This is the most beautiful place I had ever seen. So this is the which place I have ever seen. Ever means not only two places, many places we might have seen. So we have to compare it between more than two places. So when there is more than two places, we have to take most beautiful. So what you have to read? This is the most beautiful place I have ever seen. So ever seen means I have ever seen. So more than two places. So we have tick mark as in superlative degree most beautiful. So number 8 now. Exercise example number 8. The road to my central village is worse. The road which goes to my nearby villages. So here villages is worst. Very dirty. I have never seen this type of road. So it is superlative. Comparative. Comparative between my village and the village that is next to my village. So comparison between two villages. So it is worse. Worse means comparison for that. So comparative degree we have tick mark, that is worse. It is not a single village. It is comparison between my village and the neighboring village. Okay, so worse. WRSE. So I hope you have understood how we have selected and tick the correct adjective in this given sentence. Just read out the sentences. Your handwriting is getting better. Now your handwriting is getting better. It is improving. So we have to tick out better. There has been least rain in this year than the last year. So last year in comparison to the last years, this is the least. So least is the proper answer. Tick out that. Maybe if it may consider between the last years and this year's. So my dog is the best dog in the world. So it is the best. No other dog is as good as my dog. So it is the best one. Okay. Fourth, my sister pays more attention to my younger sister. So comparison between two. So here it is more. Keeping the room clean needs a little effort. So there is just a positive degree. So little. Vijaya's house is at the farther distance from yours. So between two houses it is comparative degree, that is farther. Okay. This is the most beautiful place I have ever seen. Most beautiful is superlative. 8. The road to my central village is worse. Again here it is which degree? Yes, comparative. So in this way we have tick out the proper degrees in the given sentence. Exercise D. Fill in the blanks with the correct degree of adjective given in the blank brackets. Okay, so a sentence is given in exercise D. A sentence is given and we have to see the last bracket word and we have to put the correct answer in the given blank. So this basket has the dash peaches. Peaches are there. Peaches is the name of a fruit. So has a dash peaches. So peaches we have to juice is given. So juice, juicy, juicier. So comparison between the peaches and the basket. So it is juicy. Juicy. You have to write. Next, second, an elephant is dash than the cheetah. An elephant is, what is an elephant? Is heavy it is given. So comparison between elephant and cheetah. How much they are? 2. When there are two, comparison between two, what we use? A comparative degree. So that's why we are writing comparative degree heavier. ER. Okay? Heavy, heavier. So it is the correct answer you have to write in the given blank. It is next. Number 3. Varun is dash than Shivam. Varun is dash than Shivam. Again the comparison between Varun and Shivam. So it is comparative degree. We have to write taller. Tall is given in the bracket. We have to write taller as in comparative degree. So next number 4. This lamp is dash than the one in the hall. So a lamp is there where? In the hall. So again 2 are there. So bright, B-R-I-G-H-T, bright. Bright comparative degree is brighter. So same you have to write the spelling, and at the end you have to put ER. So B-R-I-G-H-T-E-R. This will be the answer for number 4. Number 5. She is the dash amongst all the people in the village. So here wise is given. So comparison is between among all the people in the village. So there are more than many people are there. So there is comparison between many people and hers. So wise, wiser, wisest. So when there is more than 2, we use superlative degree, that is wisest. W-I-S-E-S-T. Okay. See, you have to write it properly. Yeah? Number 6. I find an apple dash than the pear. So again a comparison is there between which fruit? Apple is a name of fruit and pear is also a name of fruit. So bracket word it is sweet. So sweet comparative degree we have to write sweeter. What you have to write? Sweeter. And what is the end of this? ER. Sweet, sweeter. You know what we write at the comparative degree at the end? ER. So same word we have to write here and just put an ER at the end of that word. So what will the answer? I find an apple sweeter than the pear. So apple is more sweet than the pear. Number 7. Number 7. Mount Everest is the dash peak in the world. So Mount Everest is the name of a mount which is the highest in its height. So Mount Everest is the dash peak in the world. So where it is compared? Mount Everest is compared to the other mount in the world. So there is comparison between more mountain and Mount Everest, more than 2. So here it is given positive degree, that is high. So what is the superlative degree for this? Highest. So there is no comparison between 2 mountains. It is comparison between more than 2 mountains. So highest. No other mountain is as highest than the Mount Everest. So the right answer is highest. Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. Number 8. Hercules was dash than any other man. So Hercules is name of an man. So his name, as you have having a person is having a name, as you have a name, everybody is having a name, no specific name by which your parents, your school, your classmate call you. That is your name. So Hercules was dash than any other man. So this man was what? Strong. So he is compared with the other man. There is comparison between the other person, other man. So more than, no comparison between 2 persons. So more than 2, it is given that than any other man. No other is as strong as he is. So the superlative degree we are going to write, that is strongest. What you have to write? Strongest. See the spelling. S-T-R-O-N-G-E-S-T. Strongest. Okay. this is positive and this is superlative degree. Number 9. China is dash than any other countries in the world. So China is there. China is the name of a country. Country name is China. Than any other countries in the world. Again, there is comparison of China with the other countries in the world. So there is no comparison between two countries. It is a comparison between more than two countries among the world. So there it is given positive big. So we have to write superlative degree. Biggest. What is the answer? Biggest. You have to write biggest. So read the sentence. China is biggest than any other countries in the world. Number 10. Rama is a dash dancer than a singer. So Rama is name of a, again, person, boy, man, anything you can say. His name is a dash dancer than a singer. So here it is given good. So you know good is a positive degree. So you have to see for which the comparison is given than the singer. So here his Rama's comparison is with the singer. So he is a dancer, but his comparison is with the singer. So what is the comparative degree here between the two person? Yes, good. Comparative it is better. And superlative you know, good, better, best. But here comparison is between two. So we are going to write comparative degree, that is better. So in this way, you have to read the sentence, then only you are going to understand what the sentence what that wants as an answer. Does it want a superlative degree or if you are not reading the sentence, direct writing the answer, you cannot understand what is why we have written this answer. So we have to understand why we have to write all this answer here as a superlative or comparative degree. Positive is given, but we have to write the answer among superlative, and for that we have to read the sentence and understand. So you have to watch this video carefully and try to understand what I have told you. And for this, reading is must. You should read the sentence. Just don't write or don't learn just the answers. No, you should not do this. You should first put your finger on the given line and just try to read out, and then only write the proper. And spelling should be that correct. Okay. ER and EST, but by mistake some children in a hurry forget to write T, forget to write, they just write S as R and R as S. Don't do this. So it should be proper and neat and tidy. So hope you have understood this exercise. Up to D we have completed. We're going to start with exercise E. So complete it properly in your textbook, and if possible you can do it as a homework in your notebooks also. Thank you, students.